lakas ng lalaki, no?
I guess it must be fate.
Panalo.
We tried it on our own, but deep inside we know we'll be back to set things straight.
Tingnan natin dito kay Ate mga Lodi kung anong kaya.
I still remember